Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to whip up a stunning ebook cover and pages in just a few clicks? Open canva.com and click the Create button. In the search bar, type ebook. You'll see one available option. Select the ebook template to begin designing your project, and you'll be taken to the editing interface. This is the final ebook cover that will be created. As you can see, I have already selected an e-cover design specifically for my ebook. This cover will represent your book once the process is complete. Add another page by clicking the plus icon. For the content, you can use text generated from ChatGPT or type anything you want in the text area provided on the new page. ChatGPT will generate information for you. Simply copy the provided response, then paste it in the designated area to proceed with your next step. Resize the image as needed. Next, go to the Elements category. In the search bar, type coffee cookie and press enter. Browse through the available elements and choose the one you want to add to your design. After searching, you'll see a selection of images. To continue, add another page to your project. Then, simply drag and drop your chosen image from the results directly onto the new page. Start by selecting the article text from the subjectivity section. Next, resize the text box by clicking and dragging its edges. Choose the font type specified for this design. Then, change the font size to 16 by selecting it from the Size drop-down menu. These adjustments will ensure the formatting matches your project requirements. Resize this element by dragging the corner until it fits the desired space. Drag this sample into the workspace to add it to your project. If you want to include another image, simply repeat the process by dragging the next image file into the workspace as well. This allows you to build your composition. This sample doesn't match our needs, so we'll replace it with a more realistic option. First, select the item you want to update. Then, choose a new sample from the library that better fits your project. Click to apply the change, and now the updated sample is in place, ready for use in your workflow. Begin by clicking the One option in the menu. This selects the item you need. Once selected, confirm your choice to proceed to the next step in the process. After finishing your ebook, click the Share button at the top right corner. Next, select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose PDF as your file type to save your ebook in a standard format. Select Print as Standard, then choose either MYK or Personal Printing. Click Download, and your file will be saved using the selected print option. You've just learned how to whip up an ebook in Canva in no time. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.